Okay guys, we're here today at 11017 West Woodland Avenue. As you can see, this is a ginormous house. This is the view you'll get from the front. Really nice, quiet neighborhood. And we'll take a step on inside. Get a nice little seating area here, nice fenced in. And then let's go inside. So you can see a beautiful entrance and a massive front room here. You could use this for, say, a dining room, a little living area, watch some sports in here, and then plenty of windows. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. A theme of this house is light and bright. You got the nice dark flooring here, but you still get plenty of light where it seems like it's daytime all the time, which is amazing. And it just makes it feel that much bigger, even though this is already a massive house. So we'll take a step through. We do have the kitchen right up ahead. We're going to take a quick left though. So this is going to be your garage door. And this is a secret, huge little closet, one like under the staircase type of storage areas. Nice bathroom. This is just a half bath. We'll take a step in so you can see here. I'll come into here. I wanted to call this a bedroom. You definitely could easily make this a bedroom. You get the huge window. That could be your closet right there. But you could almost make this like a secondary, say, TV room, a little hangout for the kids, whatever you'd like, or just storage. It's nice and tucked away in the corner, so you almost don't even know it's here. And we'll step through, back through here, and we'll come into the huge kitchen. One thing I love is the island. That is a huge island. It has the little overhang. You can make a little breakfast bar out of it for the kids or anything you'd like to do with that. Nice stainless steel appliances. All of these will stay as well. And then nice feature that a lot of houses don't have anymore is just an actual pantry, which, as you can see, is very large. So that's a nice touch. And that it's in the kitchen itself, not even like, say, a little bit down the hallway. It's in the kitchen. Nice dark finishes as well, but again, plenty of light. And then continuing the theme of the windows here, you could call this, I guess, another family room, living room area. Set the TV up over there, whatever you'd like, really. You can make this a game room. It is open for your imagination here at this home. We'll take a quick step into the backyard, which has a beautiful little fire pit. Imagine how good this could look. You set up a couple chairs, a nice fire going. You already have the pre-seated bench right there. Beautiful trees, get some shade in the summertime because it does get quite hot here in Arizona. But you'll be just fine in this backyard with all these beautiful trees. We'll take a step this way. You do get an enclosed storage area. You could put, let's say, like a pet in there. Anything you really want. You could use storage. You get a gate to it right here, so you can step in and out real easily. But that is also another thing about this home, is you could use that for whatever you like. You can make it a garden. It's already fenced in, so your dogs can't get to it. It's a nice little space that you can create with. We'll come on back inside. And we will take a look upstairs. So you get this beautiful staircase. I love it how it doesn't turn. It's just one flight of stairs all the way up. And you get these nice lighting fixtures here on the side. So when it's nighttime, you don't go tumbling down the stairs, which is always a nice touch. Don't want to be doing that. So we'll come up here. You can see right away you have another little area you can make, say, TV, game room. There's plenty of space in this home to do whatever you'd like. Again, nice huge window. You get a beautiful view. You can actually see the main road over there. There's a park behind those houses right there. You can see the front of the home. Beautiful area up here. Then we'll come on this way. Nice little storage nook here. You could almost even pull up a chair and do some homework, do some work. And then we'll step into a bedroom, which again, windows are everywhere. And then nice size closet, plenty of storage in here. I love this one because you're kind of at the corner of the house. You get to see out of the side, but you also get a front view as well. So I mean, the views in this home are also amazing. That is a benefit that comes with a 2-story home, which I just love this one as well. And then we'll step this way, take a quick left, and you're in the laundry room. As you can see, again, another window, which is also upstairs laundry, which the master is upstairs. So that's a nice touch. You don't even have to go down the stairs to do your laundry. Come in here, we have a nice full bathroom, nice double vanity. And then a nice touch is you get a private shower area. So you can even close this door and still have the sinks available, which you got these nice countertops, nice dark finishes all throughout the house. So that's a nice touch. I really love how there's a split right there. So you can close that door and still have the sinks open. So if say, somebody else is getting ready, somebody's taking a shower, that's not an issue. Step into another bedroom, which again, I mean, 3 windows in a bedroom. I don't know if you could tell me the last time you've seen 3 windows in one bedroom. That's not even the primary. So as you can see, a nice view out front again, and then a nice side view. You can see, down the street, plenty of sunlight. Again, plenty of storage as well. Huge closet right here. And then the last window, beautiful. And it always feels like daytime because the amount of light you get in here is just insane. Then we'll step into the last bedroom. Again, huge window. And I mean, these rooms are ginormous. I mean, you could easily fit a king-size bed in here, no issue at all. And these aren't even the primary bedrooms. Again, nice closet. I mean, look how big this is. This is amazing. And then we'll take a step over into the master. So we'll come back out to the hallway. This is the staircase that we came up, and then tucked away over here is the master. I mean, look at this. This is massive. Get your own fan up there, plenty of windows. I mean, this is a great room. I would love to have this bedroom one day. We're going to save this for last. That's a nice little touch right over here. We're going to come into here. As you can see, you almost get what you could say a his and hers closet. So of course this one probably going to be the hers. It's quite large. I mean, you could get anything you want in here. And then step over here, get the his side maybe, which is a little bit smaller, but still plenty of storage in there. Step into the bathroom, you got your nice tub, shower, nice window, but I like how it's fogged out so you can't see in, but it still lets all of the light in, which is an amazing touch as well. Again, carrying the double vanities all throughout the house, nice dark finishes. And then the private area over here, which again, another window. And then we're going to come back to by far my favorite part of the home, because you just don't really see this anywhere. That's a private balcony for the master bedroom, which is honestly, it's pretty big too. It's not like a one little step area. It is plenty big enough to put some chairs. You could hang out here all day. So you get to look down here. You see the fire pit we looked at earlier. Imagine, say you did turn this area into a garden over here. Look at the view you'd get. I mean, that would be spectacular. You could set up a basketball hoop, shoot some hoops down there. It's amazing. And then you just get the overall view, which is fantastic. Not to mention, this home is right off of the freeway. You're far enough away where you don't get the traffic or the noise from it, but you still get the luxury of you can travel anywhere very quickly because you're right next to the freeway. And then also, I mean, plenty of shopping, plenty of food places right around here. This is a growing area in the valley for sure. So, I mean, there's plenty of stuff to come as well. So you're already getting a prime location in an amazing area. But anyways, guys, that is about the tour of this home. I appreciate you looking around with me. If you have any questions or you want to inquire about the home, you can visit our website at RPM Phoenix Valley. Thank you for touring with me.